Hi there, and welcome to our video on how to make money through ChatGPT. ChatGPT is a powerful language model developed by OpenAI, and it has the potential to revolutionize the way businesses interact with customers and automate various tasks. In this video, we'll be exploring the various ways in which you can use ChatGPT to drive growth and increase revenue for your business. 1. Chatbots for customer service. Chatbots powered by ChatGPT can provide 24/7 customer service for your business, handling routine inquiries and freeing up human agents to focus on more complex tasks. For example, a chatbot can handle fax, provide product recommendations, or even process orders. This can improve customer satisfaction, reduce wait times, and increase sales. 2. Conversational marketing. Conversational marketing allows businesses to engage with potential customers in a natural and interactive way. With ChatGPT, businesses can create personalized and engaging campaigns that drive conversions and build brand loyalty. For example, a chatbot can provide product recommendations based on a customer's preferences, or offer special promotions and discounts. 3. Chatbots for mental health and therapy services. Mental health is a growing concern, and chatbots powered by ChatGPT can provide a convenient and accessible way for people to receive support and treatment. With its advanced language generation capabilities, ChatGPT can help mental health professionals create engaging and personalized therapy sessions, improving patient outcomes and increasing revenue. 4. Translation and language modeling. ChatGPT's ability to generate text in multiple languages makes it a valuable tool for businesses looking to expand into new markets. With ChatGPT, businesses can quickly and accurately translate website content, product descriptions, and customer service interactions, helping to reach a global audience and increase revenue. 5. Content generation. ChatGPT can be used to generate a wide range of content, including articles, blog posts, and product descriptions. This can save businesses time and resources, and help them keep their website and social media channels updated with fresh and relevant content. 6. Automated content moderation. ChatGPT can be used to automate the moderation of online communities and forums, helping to ensure that all content is appropriate and in line with community guidelines. This can protect a business's brand and reputation, and increase customer trust and loyalty. Conclusion. In this video, we've explored the various ways in which ChatGPT can be used to make money and drive growth for businesses. ChatGPT offers a wealth of opportunities for businesses looking to leverage the power of AI-powered conversational systems. Whether you're looking to increase efficiency, reach new markets, or improve customer engagement, ChatGPT has something to offer. Outro. Thank you for watching our video on how to make money through ChatGPT. We hope you found this information useful and that it's inspired you to explore the potential of AI-powered conversational systems for your business.